What is up everyone, it's your host Martin Shred here, back for another video for you guys, and today I'm gonna bring you a little something different from the usual, because today I'm gonna do a gear review, because this is an item that is essential to my everyday work environment and something that I really enjoy. So let's jump right into it. This is the Keychron K2 version 2 review. This is a wireless keyboard that is both wireless and wired for you guys if you wanted to do a switch between them. And it's also a keyboard that you can use on Windows and Mac. So this keyboard, besides its features as a mechanical keyboard, it also allows you to switch between seamlessly between Mac, Windows, and even iPad or some tablet that you might have lying around. And in terms of memory, it can store up to 3 different devices. Right here on the numbers on 1, 2, and 3, you have the little Bluetooth logo on the numbers 1, 2, and 3, and you can switch between them easily, and you don't have to sync between them when you're switching if they're already saved on this specific presets. You will have the change of the function keys. So for the Mac keys, there's also included a set of Mac keys as well as Windows function keys. And in this case right here, I actually don't have the OEM or the default keys that come with it because I bought another set of keycaps, but I'll get to that in a minute. Before that, just want to let you guys know that you have both sets that you can use when working with Windows or macOS systems. To switch between them, you have a few switches here on the side, and you can switch between Windows and macOS just as it is shown right here. Also, you have the USB-C port and the option to toggle the keyboard off to Bluetooth mode and to cable mode. Other than that, and this is one of the features of the version 2, iteration 2 of this keyboard, is the raised lip or the 9-degree inclination, I think it is, because the version 2 was a little too flat, and since the keys are a high profile, they are not slim profile like the MacBook keys, people found that it was actually a little bit uncomfortable to type on, and so they made a little adjustment on the regular incline of the keyboard. As far as keycaps go, guys, these keycaps are pretty good. They are obviously see-through because this keyboard has 18 types of RGB, if I'm not mistaken, but you can also get this keyboard with the non-RGB version, but still backlit, but only in the white backlight. But since the price difference is not that much, I think it's $10, you might as well go for the RGB version. There's also an option to go with the aluminum frame, such as the one that I have got. And again, the aluminum frame plus the RGB lighting will run you about like $20 more. But at this price point, it's very, very competitive in relation to other mechanical keyboards on the market. And other mechanical keyboards don't actually allow you to use them between different operating systems, such as this one can, or on macOS, iPad, and Windows. Under $100. I think this is a pretty good buy, guys. What about the less positive things? Well, as I was mentioning before, the keycaps. The standard keycaps, although they are pretty good quality, they are not the best in terms of longevity. As you will start to notice, if you eventually get this keyboard, you'll see that the oils from your fingers will start to show on the top of the keycap. And so the thing you must do is actually find a way to get some PBT keycaps, such as this ones that I've got. So this one's as the F key, and the control key, for example, are different keys. So the ones that are not with the print on top are actually not standard keys. And this one, as this kind of keys have a little bit of a rougher feeling, but don't catch as many oils from your skin. If you don't take this into account, you have to remember that this is an 84 key layout. And so this is one of its main disadvantages, if I say so myself, because if if you want to get a different key set for this keyboard, you're gonna have to be careful with the actual set that you are purchasing, because most of the keycap sets that are available on the market are actually made for keyboards that are the standard layout of the not 84 keys, so not the compact layouts. So it's the 10 keyless, and this one is 10 keyless, but it's compact. So you'll find a problem because, this actually happened when I purchased this particular set, but some keys were changed up, such as the home key, the page down, and the page up keys. So I had to keep it as is with some of the keys and replace only some of them. But Keychron also has another models, such as the K8, if I'm not mistaken, or the K1, and in that case they still retain that classic form factor of a keyboard, still mechanical, still wireless, still compatible with multiple operating systems. And if you're looking to change keycaps, you might as well go for those options, as you will have a lot more keycap set options available. What else can I say about this? Of course, the switches. This is actually the version with the brown switches, and this is the non-hot swappable version. So if you want to purchase a non-hot swappable version, of course it will be cheaper. You only have the option of going with brown switches, red switches, and blue switches. So if those are not on your favorite list, you might as well get the hot swappable version and be able to do the switch, pick the switch of your choosing by yourself and install it by yourself. But if that's not the case, if you're new to mechanical keyboards like I was, and you don't want a super clicky keyboard, and you also don't want a keyboard that was sort of similar to a regular keyboard, you might as well go with the brown switches like I did. And in this case, this was a middle stage between clickiness of the available switches for the non-hot swappable version, which is this one. And I guess that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoy this little review of the Keychron K2 version 2. I think it's a great add-on for your work environment, for your workplace. And if you're looking to get into mechanical keyboards, especially this one, which is wireless, and you don't want a messy desk, I know I don't, and you want to be able to switch between wired and wireless modes, and with the wired being USB-C, which is also included, you might as well take a look at this Keychron or any other Keychron offers that they have on their website. They have a ton of models. They have bigger models with more keys, even less keys than this one. They also have the K6, which is an even more compact layout than this. So plenty of options to go and choose from. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions that I can answer to you about this keyboard. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.